Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a game changer for your workspace office blinds. If you're looking to boost style, functionality, and productivity, office blinds are the perfect addition. Let's dive into why they're a smart choice. Why choose office blinds? Light control made easy. Tilt, lift, or roll control the natural light exactly how you want it. Privacy on demand. Create a private workspace without sacrificing style or daylight. Energy efficiency. Keep your office cool in summer and warm in winter with insulating blinds. Noise management. Some blinds even help reduce outside noise for better focus. Popular office blind styles. Vertical blinds. Perfect for large windows or sliding doors, clean and practical. Roller blinds. Minimalist and space-saving. Great for meeting rooms and shared spaces. Venetian blinds. A timeless choice with adjustable slats for precise light control. Where to use office blinds? Workstations. Private offices. Conference room. And that's how office blinds can completely transform your workspace. Tell us in the comments which type you're thinking of using. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more office and interior design tips. See you in the next video.